Welcome to this tutorial on how to request payments using Zelle free service. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money directly from one bank account to another. To get started, you need to have a bank account in the United States and be enrolled in Zelle through your bank or credit union. First step is to check if your bank or credit union is partnered with Zelle. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their bank and credit union locator tool. If your bank is partnered with Zelle, you can enroll through their website or mobile app. Once you are enrolled in Zelle, you can start requesting payments. To do this, open your bank or credit union's mobile app and navigate to the Zelle section. Select the option to request money and enter the email address or mobile number of the person you are requesting money from. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you are requesting and a note explaining the reason for the request. This note is optional but can be helpful in case the recipient is unsure about the request. After entering the amount and note, select the Request Money option. The recipient will then receive a notification with the request details and can choose to accept or decline the request. If the recipient accepts the request, the money will be transferred directly into your bank account. It is important to note that when requesting payments using Zelle, you should only request money from people you know and trust. You should also be cautious when receiving requests from unknown senders, as they may be scams. Best practice is to always verify the identity of the sender and the reason for the request before accepting or sending money. Additionally, you should keep your bank account and contact information up to date to ensure that you receive notifications and can track your transactions. In conclusion, requesting payments using Zelle is a fast and easy way to get paid. By following these steps and being mindful of best practices, you can use Zelle with confidence. Remember to always be cautious when sending or receiving money and to only use Zelle with people you know and trust.